Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the TD Bank US app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The TD Bank US app is designed to give customers secure and convenient access to their banking needs anytime, anywhere. It allows users to check balances, view transaction history, transfer funds, pay bills, and deposit checks with mobile deposit. The app also supports Zelle for quick person-to-person payments, account alerts, and credit card management. With features like fingerprint or Face ID login and fraud protection, the app emphasizes both security and accessibility. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users often highlight the app's clean interface, smooth navigation, and reliability for everyday banking. The ability to deposit checks remotely and set up account alerts is particularly valued. Many also find Zelle integration helpful for quick transfers. Still, the app isn't without drawbacks. Some users report occasional glitches during updates, delayed notifications, or temporary login issues. There are also mentions that certain advanced features, like budgeting tools, feel limited compared to other banking apps. Additionally, customer support through the app may not always be as responsive as expected. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the TD Bank US app may be worth using if you want a secure, straightforward, and reliable way to manage your TD Bank accounts on the go. It shines in essential features like mobile deposit, bill pay, and Zelle integration. However, if you need advanced money management tools or highly responsive in-app support, you may find it somewhat limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.